distribution page of MEAPA. This is where we are right now. On the previous video we were in the layers. Here where we are, we're going to talk about this. There are two tables in this page. One of them is the vehicle class distribution, percentage of each class of vehicle, truck essentially, class 4 versus 13 through 13. Growth percentage, whether it's a linear or compound growth. So when you change anything here, obviously you want to click save so that it's updated. So number of axles, single axles here, number of tandem and tridem and all that. So an easy way of modifying these tables is just go here, copy table, go to an Excel sheet, paste, and then do all your manipulation. Let's say I'm going to do like randomly, just change these. I would want you to copy only including the title up until where the table ends, not including the total here. So just copy this portion and then go here, paste table, click here, Command V or Control V. You'll see that in the background they changed. You just click exit and save, and then everything is updated. The same thing with the monthly distribution factors for each month, for each class. We can do the same thing. Copy entire table. You can also change, obviously, there's some unrealistic numbers. Copy entire table. I'm not gonna save. If I don't want to save it, all you have to just refresh reload, and then it's like an undo. So unless you save it, it won't be updated in the database. So again, copy entire table, go here, paste, and do all your manipulations. Let's say you want to manipulate to make them, some of them like just all ones. Again, when you paste, just make sure you paste the rows with the main table. Copy. Again, go here, paste table. You see a button shows up. Click exit. All you have to just save, and everything is all updated.